Checking your transaction history on Chase Bank is a straightforward process that can be done through their website or mobile app. Follow these steps to access your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your accounts. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab or section. This is typically found on the main dashboard or menu, where you can see a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose a specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a checking account, savings account, or credit card account. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transactions or Activity. Click on this option to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, you can filter the transactions by date or type. Additionally, there may be an option to download your transaction history as a CSV or PDF file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history with Chase Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Chase customer support for assistance.